Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you cannot unlock your Galaxy A27 with your device's PIN code. So first of all, when you are on your lock screen, make sure that you are entering your security PIN code that you set up yourself and not your device's SIM card PIN code. These two are still often mistaken for each other. If you are sure of that and you still cannot sign in, then the best decision would be reaching out to Samsung customer support service, notifying them about this issue, and then providing them with the proof of the ownership of your device on their request, so that they can unlock your device without removing any data from it. Personally, I consider it the best solution to this issue. But if you don't have an opportunity to do so, you're going to need to perform a factory reset operation on your device. Now, before we perform a factory reset operation, if you have an alternative way to unlock your smartphone, so it can be your face unlock scanner, it can be your fingerprint scanner, unlock your device and back up all the important data you have on it to either an external drive or your computer using a cable, or back up your data to either Google Cloud or any other cloud that you trust. And after that, you're gonna have to have two options of performing factory reset operation. So you can either do it remotely or locally. Let's start with remote factory reset. In order to perform it, you're gonna need to use another device. That device can be your other smartphone, it can be your laptop, your tablet, your PC, whatever. Using that other device, you're gonna need to open the web browser, and depending on which account you have on your smartphone, linked to your smartphone, which can be either your Samsung account or your Google account, you're gonna need to either go to the Samsung Find My Device website or Google Find Hub website. In my case, I have Google account link with this Galaxy, so I entered the Find Hub website by Google. Here you're gonna need to sign in to the Google account that is linked with your Samsung and select your Samsung from this list of the devices. And after you select it from another device, you're gonna have to select factory reset device and perform the factory reset operation remotely. Once the factory reset operation is performed, you're gonna need to set up your device once again, and if you prepared a backup, restore your data from it. Now, this is the remote factory reset option. If you want to perform the factory reset operation locally, you're going to need to use a cable to connect your smartphone to your PC or a laptop. So connect one side of the cable into your laptop or PC, and the other side to your smartphone. Now, to make sure everything looks legit, let's go back to the lock screen. Now, what we need to do is press and hold power button and volume down keys until the screen of the smartphone goes off. This way we'll force shut down the device. Okay, I think it's happened. Okay, yeah, it looks good. Now what we need to do next is hold down volume up key and power button at the same time and keep holding them together until we see the recovery mode on the screen. Now it's gonna take a while. Okay, and now we can release both buttons. Now use your volume buttons to navigate, and in order to perform factory reset, navigate to wipe data / factory reset option, then press the power button, navigate to factory data reset once again, and click power button to confirm. After a couple of seconds, you'll be returned to this menu. Here you're gonna have to select reboot system now and wait until your device is restarted. Now this restart will take a longer time than usual, as the factory reset operation is currently being performed. Well, not on my smartphone. I chose not to reset my smartphone. I only wanted to show you. But yeah, after that you will have to set up your device once again, and once again, if you prepared a backup, you'll be able to restore your data from the backup. And now I also want to tell you about one other possibility. If you know and remember your device's PIN code, but your device doesn't recognize it, it may happen because your smartphone is affected by some third-party application or background activity that basically makes your phone lag on a lock screen and make it not recognize your lock screen pattern or lock screen PIN code. It happens really rarely, but let's not eliminate such a possibility. So in such case, in order to resolve this issue, we're gonna have to reset our device into the safe mode and try entering the PIN code there. In safe mode, there are no active third-party applications or background activities, and to get there, we're gonna need to once again force restart our smartphone by pressing power button and volume down key until the screen of the device goes off. Okay, it's turned off, and after that you're gonna have to press and hold the volume down button just by itself and keep holding it until your device is restarted. Once it's restarted, you should be able to see safe mode indicator in the bottom left corner. Also, don't forget to unplug your cable. So I'm gonna be holding down this volume down key until the smartphone is restarted once again. Okay, so unfortunately I didn't get to the safe mode this time, but basically what you have to do once you get there is go to settings, then security and privacy. Then in security and privacy menu, you're gonna have to navigate to the lock screen, enter your current PIN code, tap continue, and change it to either swipe or none option to erase it. And then restart your smartphone normally back into the normal mode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.